Hi everyone, on this video I'm gonna show you how to zoom in Kdenlive. For example, you wanna zoom in a video or a clip in Kdenlive, and this is what you need to do. First, I'm going to select a time where I wanna zoom the clip. For example, on this timeline. So I'm gonna select a keyframe where I want to zoom in the clip. For example, I want to zoom in this keyframe. So what I need to do is I need to apply a effects on this keyframe. So I'm going to the effects tab and look for transform, distort, and perspective. Look for transform. There you go. Drag it to the keyframe, and then you'll see this option. So what we are going to do is we just need to zoom the clip on this keyframe. So we just need to resize the clip. So I'm just going to change the size of this keyframe by just clicking on the size and then drag the mouse up. So see that my clip is zooming in and zooming out. So that's how you zoom a clip or a keyframe on Kdenlive. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.